scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Programming logic can be tricky, but we will solve this code segment together right now. Let's break down these nested if statements very quickly. First, look at the outer if statement, which checks if num is greater than 0. This means the entire inner block only runs when our variable is a positive integer. Next, we check if num modulo 2 equals 0 inside that block. If this condition is true, the program prints A, which specifically happens for any positive even integer value. Otherwise, the else block prints B for positive odd integers. If num is 0 or negative, nothing happens at all, making option D our winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given conditions and check steps.